If you have been wondering which posts or reels some specific person has liked, there is not one button that you can do that, but maybe there are some things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you how. First, I'm going to show you how to see the posts that you have liked yourself. In order to do that, you need to head over to Settings, tap on Your Activity. The first option says Likes. You're going to tap on that. And here you can see all the posts that you have liked. You can even sort them from like newest to oldest or the other way around. Specific dates, maybe past week, maybe a date range, like for example, from January 2022 until, let's say, December 2022. Done. Apply. Well, apparently I haven't liked anything in that date range. Anyways, what I'm trying to tell you is that you can sort these posts that you have liked if you want to find a specific post that you have liked. Anyway, let's go to someone else's profile and see there is an option. We can see which posts this person has liked. As you can see on the profile, I can see the posts, I can see the reels, I can see the reposts, and I can see the posts that this person has been tagged in. I can also check their highlights. And even if I tap on these three dots there is one option here that says See Shared Activity. Now here you have the likes option, but this only shows the interactions you have had on each other's profiles. You know, like it says likes you and her made on one another's photos or reels. Now if I tap on that, you can see that maybe I liked some photos on that account. Yeah, as you can see, I have liked 2 of her posts, but she hasn't liked any of mine. So anyways, as you can see, there is no specific place on this person's profile that allows me to see which posts they have liked. But that's not all. There's still one tiny thing we can do. If I head over to the Reels section, as you can see on the top here, it says Friends. And here it shows me who from my friends or followers have liked this post. Like this one is liked by another one, liked by another one, commented on. So this is just another thing. I know this doesn't give you like a complete data of all the posts and reels your friends have liked, but at least it's something.